Today we discuss about solar energy. First one, what is the source of solar energy? Sun. Sun is the only source of solar energy. Okay. Sun radiates energy uniformly in all directions. Energy uniformly in all directions. Okay. Sun radiates energy uniformly in all directions. The sun provides the energy needed to sustain life in our solar system. It is a clean, inexhaustible, abundantly and universally available source of renewable energy. Available source. Renewable energy. Okay. Solar energy can be utilized directly in two ways. Solar energy can be utilized into two ways. First one, by collecting the radiant heat and using it in a thermal system. By collecting the radiant heat by collecting the radiant heat and using it in a thermal system. আরেকটা by collecting and converting it directly to electrical energy. Collecting and converting directly into electrical energy. Okay, তাহলে by collecting and converting directly into electrical energy. Okay, there are two ways. Solar energy is also used by various well-known natural effects. These are indirect forms of solar energy. Thus, solar energy is the mother of all forms of energy. Solar energy is the mother of all forms of energy. Mother of all forms of energy. Okay. Conventional or non-conventional, renewable or non-renewable, the only exception being nuclear energy. Various sources of energy find their origin in the sun, as mentioned below. That is the wind energy, biomass energy, tidal energy, ocean wave energy, fossil fuel energy, hydro energy. Okay, wind energy, biomass energy, okay, fossil fuel energy, okay. Warming the body during water is perhaps the earliest use of direct solar heat, and the man has made. Drying clothes, okay, Very important use of solar energy, drying clothes. Okay. Another one is the sun as a source of energy. The sun as a source of energy. The sun, which is the largest member of the solar system. Largest member of the solar system is a sphere of intensely hot gaseous matter having the diameter of 1.39 into 10 to the power 9 meter. Diameter 1.39 into 10 to the power 9 meter, and at an average distance of 1.495 into 10 to the power 11 meter from the earth. Distance is equal to 1.495 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. Okay, 1.495 into 10 to the power of 11 meter from the earth. As observed from the earth, the sun rotates on its axis about once in every 4 weeks, and the polar region takes about 30 days for each rotation. At the innermost region, the core and the temperature is estimated between 8 into 10 to the power 6 to 40 into 10 to the power 6 degree Kelvin. The temperature is estimated at the innermost region temperature equal to 8 into 10 to the power 6 into 40 into 10 to the power 6. Huge temperature. into 10 to the power of 6 Kelvin. Okay. Another one is the first one, the earth. Earth is first one. Another one topic, that is the earth. Earth. Okay. Earth is shaped as an oblate spheroid, a sphere flattened at the pole and bulged in the plane normal to the poles. Okay, sphere. Okay. Sun earth relationship, the first one, that is the sun. That is the earth. Okay, sun earth 32 degree, 32 inside angle 32 degree, and the distance 1.495 into 10 to the power 11 meter. 1.495 into 10 to the power 11 of 11, 10 to the power 11 meter. 1.39 into 10 to the power 9 meter, that is the diameter. Okay, 1.39 diameter. D is equal to 1.39 into 10 to the power of 9 meter. Okay, diameter is equal to 1.39 into 10 to the power of 9 meter. Okay, as well as earth, the diameter is equal to 1.275 into 10 to the power of 7 meter. To the power of 7 meter. Okay, the geometry of earth sun relationship like this, that is the earth sun relationship. Earth sun relationship. Okay, the distance between the sun and the earth varies plus minus 1.7%. Okay, plus minus 1.7%. As well as the sun subtend an angle 32 degree. Okay, sun subtend the angle 32 degree on the earth. Sun earth radiation spectrum. Sun earth radiation spectrum. Sun earth radiation spectrum. Okay, তাহলে sun earth radiation spectrum, the energy radiated away from a black body at temperature T and wavelength lambda can be obtained from the Planck's blackbody radiation formula WH, that is equal to b square lambda to the power minus 5 divided by e to the power hc by mu kt. Lambda kt minus 1. Okay, that is the very big relationship, 2 pi b square lambda to the power minus 5 divided by e to the power hc lambda kt hc by lambda kt minus 1. b is equal to Planck's constant. Planck's constant value 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34. b is equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34. This is the Planck's constant. Okay. Okay. Another one thing, that is one is the graphical representation black body emissive power. Black body emissive power, black body emissive power versus spectrum emissive power. Spectrum emissive power. Okay, তাহলে গ্রাফিক্যাল 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. और here 0, 5, 10, 25, 30. 25, 30. Okay, like that. This is the graphical representation. Okay, radiant power per unit wavelength at the surface, sun and the earth. Okay, another one is the spectrum energy, spectral energy distribution for solar radiation. spectral energy distribution spectral energy distribution of solar radiation. Solar radiation. Okay. The spectral energy distribution of solar radiation. Solar radiation covers a continuous spectrum of electromagnetic radiation in a wide frequency range. About 99% of the extraterrestrial radiation has a wavelength in the range of 0.2 to 4 micrometer. Okay, wavelength 0.2 to 0.4 micrometer. Okay, micron, with maximum spectrum intensity at 0.48 micrometer. Okay, the spectral solar irradiation distribution both for extraterrestrial and terrestrial radiation shown in this figure. Okay, so the first one, you draw the figure. This is the graphical representation. 0.3, 0.5, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 1, 1.5, 2. Okay, 2. And here 200, that is the wavelength. Mu m. That is the wavelength. Okay, wavelength is equal to mu m. Another one thing is solar. Okay, solar radiance distribution. Okay, solar radiance distribution. Okay, graphical 200, 400, 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000. Okay, 1200, like this. 1200, maximum up to 2200. 2200. Okay, first one, extraterrestrial radiation. Extraterrestrial radiation. Okay, like that. Extraterrestrial radiation. Okay, at 0.5, that is the more or less maximum extraterrestrial radiation. Okay, another one is that is the first one is the ultraviolet. Up to this one, that is the ultraviolet region. Ultraviolet. Okay, that is the ultraviolet radiation. Another one is the terrestrial. This is the extraterrestrial radiation. Extraterrestrial radiation. Okay, another one is the terrestrial radiation, like that. Another one is the extraterrestrial radiation. Okay, terrestrial radiation. Okay, terrestrial radiation. Okay. Another one thing, depletion of solar radiation. Okay, depletion of solar radiation. That is our next topic. Okay. Depletion of solar radiation. Okay, depletion of solar radiation. The Earth atmosphere contains various gaseous constituents সাসপেন্ডেড ডাস্ট, তাই তো, সাসপেন্ডেড ডাস্ট অ্যান্ড আদার মাইনিউট সলিড অ্যান্ড লিকুইড পার্টিকুলেট ম্যাটার। ওকে, তাহলে গ্যাসিয়াস, ভেরিয়াস গ্যাসিয়াস কনস্টিটিউয়েন্ট। Gaseous constituent. Another one thing, that is the different molecules do different things. First one is the absorption. What is absorption? To absorb something. Absorption. তাহলে absorption, first one, to absorb something. Selective absorption of various wavelength occurs by different molecules. Okay, selective, তাহলে selective absorption of various wavelength occurs by different molecule. The absorbed radiation increases the energy of the absorbing molecules, thus raising their temperature. Okay, তাহলে selective absorption of select various wavelength absorption of various wavelength, selective absorption of various wavelength. Okay, okay, selective absorption of various wavelength. Nitrogen molecule, nitrogen molecular oxygen, other atmospheric gases absorb the X-ray and extreme ultraviolet radiation. Okay, rising, another one, the absorbed radiation increases the energy of the absorbing molecule. Absorbed radiation increases the energy, absorbed radiation increases the energy of absorbing molecules. Absorbing molecules. Okay, energy of absorbing molecules. Nitrogen molecule of oxygen and other atmospheric gases absorb the X-ray and extreme ultraviolet radiation. Ozone absorb a significant amount of ultraviolet radiation. Very important, ozone absorb the significant amount of ultraviolet radiation. Significant ultraviolet significant amount of ultraviolet radiation. Okay, dust particles and air molecules also absorb a part of the solar radiant energy irrespective of wavelength. Okay, another one thing, that is the scattering. Scattering, scattering by dust particles and air molecules involve distribution of incident energy. Okay, scattering by dust particle, তাহলে by dust particles, okay, by dust particles and air molecules involves redistribution of incident energy, redistribution of incident energy. redistribution of incident energy. A part of the scattered radiation is lost. In cloudy atmosphere, a major part of the incoming solar radiation is reflected back into the atmosphere by cloud. Okay, cloudy atmosphere. Cloudy atmosphere. Okay, cloudy atmosphere, a major part of the incoming solar radiation incoming solar radiation in the major part of incoming solar radiation is reflected back into the atmosphere. Reflected back into the atmosphere by clouds. Okay, into the atmosphere by clouds. Another part is absorbed by the cloud. Okay, the rest is transmitted downward to the earth's surface as diffused radiation. Okay, so this is the scattering, dust scattering as well as beam radiation and diffused radiation. Beam radiation, solar radiation propagating. Actually, on the surface of the earth we have two components of solar radiation: direct or beam radiation, another one is the diffuse radiation. Okay, direct, one is the direct, another one is the diffused. Okay, there are two components of solar radiation. Two component of solar radiation. Two component of solar radiation. So first one is the beam radiation, another one is the diffuse radiation. Beam radiation, another one is the diffused radiation. Diffused radiation, beam radiation, solar radiation propagating in a single line and received as the earth's surface without change of direction, that is in line with the sun, is called beam radiation. In line. Okay, the solar radiation propagating in a straight line and received at the earth's surface without change in direction. Receive at the earth surface. Receive at the earth surface. Another one is the diffused radiation, solar radiation scattered by aerosols. Solar radiation scattered by aerosols. Okay, by aerosols, dust and molecule is known as the diffuse radiation. It does not have unique direction. Okay, another one radiation is the global radiation. Okay, global radiation. Global. Another one is the global radiation. Global radiation, the sum of beam and diffuse radiation is referred as total global radiation. The sum of beam and diffuse radiation referred as a total or beam radiation. Okay, so global radiation, the sum of beam and diffuse